Welcome everyone to Z's Fun Club, where you're gonna get entertained by something I love, something I want to share with the whole wide world. Opening toys and making creative things just for you guys. And now we're gonna get started. But before we even do that, come on guys, hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? And give that like a big positive click. Now that you've subscribed and hit the like button, let's get started. Okay, today for my first video, we're gonna make fun emoji magnets. They're so easy and fun to make. And these have lots of fun stickers and a lot of magnets, 7 in total. So now these are some I made earlier. They're really a lot of fun to make. And there's different shapes too. And it's the last one. There's total in 7. Now, let's start in opening the box. So it contains instructions and the main part. And this kit contains some stickers, like the thing to cover the magnets, and for the other one too. Some glue, the actual magnets, and some paper to make the background colorful. Now that you've seen everything, let's just get started. So first we're gonna make a big magnet. We're just gonna take it out. And it's already sticky from the back. We're just gonna take this paper out and we're just gonna stick it on like this, so it's nice. And then we can pick any one we want. I'm gonna pick I Think You're Cute. And this is the sticker. It's very nice, I really like it. And like all the stickers fit, so like we don't need to worry about it. And now, this is the thing that could just cover it to make it a little safe. So it's already sticky, and we can just slide it on, stick it on. And then we made ourselves a really nice magnet. And that's how easy it is to make. Now let's make more. This time we're going to use a circle one. The circle ones are pretty different. You're going to take a pink one and we're just going to stick it on like this. And now we can pick any one we want. Maybe we could even pick let's pick this one. It's, oh no. Let's pick Stinking Rich. Okay, so now we've got that. This one is a little different. This one you have to glue on. This one you have to glue on to make it. And this you have to make it wait for 1 hour for it to dry. So let's just let that dry. Now, let's make another one. This is so much fun, guys. I'm gonna pick a big one. can even pick like 2 stickers in one. That's how much fun it is. Here it is. And you can pick this one and just stick it on the side. And then we can pick another one, and we can just gonna put it on the side like this. So it's like 2. And then now we're gonna pick another little thing and just stick it right on. Look, that is awesome, isn't it? Now let's make another circle one. And just saying, there are 7 in this set. I'm gonna pick a blue one. Just gonna stick it right on. And now I'm gonna pick one of the down ones. I'm gonna pick this poop emoji and this donut emoji. Fits perfectly right on. And now we're gonna do the same thing as we've done before. Follow blue. And just stick it on. And of course, it has to wait for 1 hour. Now, let's make Now we're going to use a pink paper. And I'm gonna pick sad Mondays. Because even I don't like Mondays. Let's just put it up. And now let's just put the sticker. I mean the texture. Okay, so now we make another magnet. And now for the last 2, we're gonna make a special one. This is the last 2. And we're gonna use and we're gonna stick it. And for the last and final one, we're gonna make it a little special, especially for you guys. And I'm gonna sing. Use a yellow sheet, and we're gonna make this one a little special. And we're gonna put on this one. Because this one shows that all of us are gonna work hard and do our best in every creative thing that we do. And we should keep trying no matter how much it fails. Okay. So yeah, so we're done. That's how quick it is. And the best part is you can still keep the fun stickers at the end. And these are all the ones that we made today. There's so many. Like, I think they're cute. That's my personal favorite one. Because there's so many emojis. There are 2 that you can put, and coffee time. And these, don't worry, if you get it, it always has to wait 1 hour. This is the other one. And the last and final one, the poop emoji and the donut emoji. That is all. See how much fun it is to make these magnets? They're so much fun and easy to make too. I hope you liked my video. Subscribe